This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering what matters: the short video clip and the music track you plan to use. Open the YouTube app, tap the plus icon, then create a short. This jumps you straight into the editor so you don't waste time. Make sure the music file is MP3 or AAC and under 30 seconds if you want maximum viewer retention. Once done, trim your clip roughly to the rhythm and prepare to import audio. This initial alignment saves time later. Now add the music. Tap Add Audio or the music icon and pick from YouTube's library or your uploaded track. Trim the song to the exact start point you want and use the volume slider to balance voice or ambient sound so speech stays clear. Use split and align tools to snap beats to your cuts or captions. This makes edits feel intentional. If you need a loop, duplicate, and crossfade clips, this keeps transitions smooth while maintaining rhythm. Finish by previewing the short several times, listening for sync and clarity. Toggle captions and full volume while watching so you catch mismatches. Make small fades on the ends to avoid jarring cuts. Export as vertical 9:16, 1080p recommended, and check the copyright notice before you publish so you don't get muted. If audio drifts or is out of sync, retrim the music start point or replace the track. That one troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.